Oh, welcome to CODJ. Now I will explain to you about how to make a simple media for planting anything. Any plant you can planting in this media. Okay, all we need is just a cup of this is a skin of rice sheet, yeah, merang, yeah, and this is empuk of the goat, kambing, serendel kambing, and we should mix it with the one cup of the ordinary soil like this, yeah. And how to mix it is very simple. It's 1 and 2, and we should make this one part of this natural soil, and we make it and like this. And after that, how to planting? This is a very good media for planting. Yeah, this is a good recommended for the engineer of farm engineer. Okay, how to plant it is only like this, and make it like this. And we will plant this one. What is? This is the chili. Only put in here and make a hole like this, and put like this and like this, and finish. And after that, you should the watering this one very soon, and make it why I don't get water in here? Why? Okay, only that. If you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.